Most people get this wrong when searching for payment-proof videos. They see screenshots online and assume every earning app is automatically legit. But here's the truth no one tells you. Payment-proof alone does not guarantee consistent earnings, and it definitely does not mean everyone is getting the same results. In this video, you'll understand what Pocket7Games payment-proof in 2026 actually means, how users are really getting paid, and what you should check before trusting any earning claim. By the end, you'll know how to separate real withdrawals from misleading hype. Let's start with what Pocket7Games actually is. Pocket7Games is a mobile platform that offers skill-based mini-games and tournaments. Players can win rewards depending on performance. Those rewards can sometimes be converted into real money or gift cards depending on the game mode and region. Now here's where it gets interesting. When you see payment-proof online, it usually falls into three categories. First, real withdrawals from consistent players. Second, one-time wins during promotions or lucky streaks. And third, edited or exaggerated screenshots designed to get views. So yes, real payment proof does exist. Users like Jake, for example, might cash out small amounts after winning tournaments or completing successful runs in skill games. But the important detail is consistency. Most users do not earn every day. Earnings depend heavily on skill level, game type, and competition. But here's the problem most beginners face. They assume Pocket7Games works like a salary app. It does not. If you lose matches, you may not earn anything at all. And even winners often withdraw small amounts instead of large, consistent payouts. Now let's talk about withdrawal behavior in 2026. Pocket7Games typically supports common payout methods like digital wallets or gift cards depending on region availability. Withdrawals are usually processed, but timing can vary. Some users report fast processing, while others experience delays during peak activity periods. This is where most people get confused. They see one person cashing out $50 and assume everyone can do the same. But earnings depend on skill, time spent, and sometimes even luck in matchmaking. So is the payment proof real? Yes. Real users do get paid. But is it stable income? No. It is not predictable or guaranteed. That difference is what most people miss. If you are like Alex, just testing the app casually, you should expect small occasional rewards. If you are highly skilled and understand the games deeply, you might see better results, but still not consistent income. So the takeaway is simple. Pocket7Games does pay users in 2026, but payment proof should be viewed as evidence of possibility, not guaranteed earnings. If you are planning to try it, treat it as entertainment first and earnings second. That mindset alone will save you from disappointment. If this helped you understand how it really works, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more honest app breakdowns.